Today we are going to make pancakes. Go to your kitchen and look for the following. You will need a mixing bowl, measuring cup, a whisk, a teaspoon, milk, vegetable oil, 1 medium egg, your pancake mix, a pan, and a spatula. Let's start with the pancake mix. Put 1 cup of pancake mix in your measuring cup. Put it in your mixing bowl. And then pour 2/3 cups of milk. There's an indicator for you to check it. Keep pouring till it reaches 2/3. There we go. Now add it to your mixing bowl. Gently pour the liquid. Now crack your egg and add it to your mixture. Good job! Now start whisking. Whisk, whisk, whisk till everything is mixed together. Then pour 1 teaspoon of oil. Don't forget to ask help if you need one. Then mix it together. Now heat your pan and get ready to cook it. Now measure 1/3 cup of the pancake mixture. And gently pour the mixture. When you see bubbles, slowly flip your pancake. Always ask mom to help you. Then you can say, "Mama, I need help." When you're plating, you can also ask for help if you can't do it yourself. We can make lots of pancake with our mixture. Here is my second one. So again, do the same procedure. Put 1/3 cup of the mixture. Gently pour it to your pan. You can ask, "Mama, can you help me pour it?" And wait for the bubbles to come out, and then you flip it, just like this. You can see tiny bubbles in your pancake. Then gently flip. Once you flip, you plate it. Ta-da! I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pancakes. I love my pancake with butter, so I'm going to put some butter on top of my pancakes. I also love putting it with honey, so I'm gonna drizzle some honey on top. You can call Mama, Baba, and your brother to eat the pancake with you. Enjoy your pancake!